Dude, now the bird's just chilling on a branch by him.
This whole time.
I know.
Since we left off. Yep. Yes.
You doing your pre-flight preparation now?
Yes, sir. Western.
There's the bird.
Or at the airport. Right, so I can keep my tire up on it.
And the cat looking at the bird. And the bird.
They were strong, right? I didn't have to.
Oh, he's got a buddy now.
Maybe you should start drinking.
Dude, look at me and look at you. What's the difference? I've been high and I've had drinks. That's the difference. You can go to sleep early enough.
That's...
You don't have to drive. You can get couch and you go to bed.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Come home with that clean carpet finally.
Where's that darn bird?
What the?
Here we go. Bird's back. Now Quinn's getting into it. No. No. The bird's like, I'm done.
Oh boy. And I'm not working yet.